Time is precious. So, we will be utilizing our time by studying from the videos that I will be posting. These videos will include explanations of the chapter, demonstration and assignments. The name of the chapter is Matter. What is matter? This question arises in our mind. Anything that we see around us is matter. May it be the sun, the moon, the stars, the food we eat, the dress, the glass of water. How do we define matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. For example, a rock, sandwich, cloud, snow. Any physical object consists of matter. Seeing or hearing it isn't sufficient. Matter is anything you can weigh, touch, taste or smell. Then what is not matter? Shadow, memory, rainbow, sound, heat, light, all this is not matter. What are the characteristics of matter? Matter has mass and has volume. The amount of material contained in an object is its mass. The space occupied by the object is its volume. It may be solid, liquid or gas. Everything has mass and volume. When we go to the doctor takes our weight. When water is added to the glass, the more is the water, the more it will be the weight of the glass. The first figure shows two balloons hanging from the sides of the ruler. They both weigh the same, as they contain same amount of air. The second diagram shows one side there is an inflated balloon and the second one is a deflated balloon, and you can see the change in the diagram. The inflated balloon weighs more than the deflated balloon. The aim of the experiment is to show that matter has mass. The materials that I have taken for this experiment is an empty can, weighing machine, grocery items, books and water. This weighing machine is calibrated for weights above 500 grams. So in this experiment I will show you that solids have weight, mass, the liquids also has mass, but for gases this weighing machine is not very sensitive. Now to start with the experiment, I take the weight of the empty can. You will note the position of the red needle. It is exactly at 0. It means that the empty can is very lightweight. Now I will be putting the books into the empty can and take the weight. Suspend the weighing machine and I find that these books weigh approximately 2.5 kgs. Children, are you able to see the change in position of the needle? Thereafter, I will be taking the weight of the grocery items. The grocery items weigh approximately 4 kgs. So these two were the example of solids that have mass. Thereafter, I fill the empty can with some water and take the weight of water, that is liquid. The needle again deflects and it reaches approximately signifying 5 kgs. So with the help of this experiment, I am able to prove that even liquids have weight, that is mass. Thank you. The experiment is to show that matter occupies space. Matter in any form, whether solid, liquid or gas, will occupy space. The materials taken in the experiment is a jug of water, 2 glasses, glass bowl, a stone tied to a string and 2 balloons, 1 deflated balloon and 1 inflated balloon. This is solid, water, liquid and example for the gas. We fill the glass tumbler with water up to the brim. Water is filled up to the brim. Now if I add more water, it will overflow. So this signifies that more water I add, it is occupying space and therefore it overflows into the glass bowl. Now, second part of the experiment is a glass filled completely with water and I lower a stone tied to a string. I find that water overflows into the glass bowl. I remove the stone and the water level has lowered. Can you see the change in the water level? This much water has been displaced into the glass bowl. The same volume, when I return it back into the glass, again the glass tumbler gets filled to the brim. This signifies that the water that had overflown from the glass tumbler is equal to the volume of the stone. Now I take the third part of the experiment. Into the glass I put a deflated balloon. It easily moves and gets fitted into the glass tumbler. Now I take another balloon which is inflated balloon and I try to put it in the glass tumbler. It does not get into the tumbler. This signifies that even air that is in the balloon occupies space and therefore cannot fit into the glass tumbler. So we conclude that all forms of matter, solid, the stone, liquid or gas, all three occupy space. Thank you. Now, this is your written assignment. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.